Hi, it's Mike from CustomCruisers.com. Here we are, big ass apes for a bagger. Okay, these are only 17s. The kit's actually from 18 to 20, but we do actually do the 18 to 20 kits, which are very rare and very expensive normally. But this particular kit, as you can see, you get your longer throttle cables, idle cable, your brake hose connects to this, connects to this, connects to this, and this. This particular kit is for a earlier bike, pre-07, which you've got your 16-inch lower hoses. The later bikes are 18. All right. And the throttle cables different lengths obviously as well. Comes complete with a wiring extension kit. Okay, dead easy to fit, just crimps on. And as you can see here, massively longer clutch hose, which on the baggers is longer than a standard soft tail anyway. But this particular set of bars are 17-inch Bagger Apes. Now the reason you have Bagger Apes, if you can see that, but this pullback misses your Batwing. Okay. But someone the other day come up, thought he could use a normal set of apes, and he bought them off eBay, God help us, on a bagger. But you can't. You do have to have a proper set of apes for a bagger. Okay, these beautiful bars here, these obviously go from 1 1/4 down to 1 inch under the clamps, and then beautifully go bigger back to 1 inch for your switch gear. Okay, we do also fancy lit switch gear. We do chrome switch gear. We do black and chrome. Backlit looks pretty cool, I've got to admit. At night, you know, the backlit switchgear really does look cool. So if you're interested, give us a call, 01773835666. Alternatively, customcruisers.com. Thank you.